Meet PowerRay. It is an intelligent underwater robot, designed to let you see the world that's never before explored under the waves before. It's a powerful underwater photography and video platform. The PowerRay can be equipped with a power seeker, an optional plug-in sonar to expand the drone's operability. Before you jump into the water, PowerRay can dive down to 98 feet and has 3 operational modes for beginners, experienced pilots and professionals. For underwater photography, use PowerRay's powerful 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle